Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save pivot table in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here you can see I have a large data and here I already create the pivot table of this data. Okay, so you can see here the pivot table is ready. When you double click on the any amount, the data will open in different sheet. Okay, so here my pivot table is ready. Okay, now I'm going to save this pivot table. Okay, so here I'm going to save this pivot table in different Excel file. So to select this pivot table, simply click on the inside the cell and you can use the Control A. But when you press the Control A, the select pivot table only this area, not the filter area pivot table. This also is connected to the pivot table, right? So it's this also need to selection. Okay, so to select the entire pivot table only, go to the pivot table analysis and in actions group, click on the select option. Then click on the entire pivot table. Now you can see the entire pivot table is selected. Now simply right click of the mouse and click on the copy option. Okay, then open your new Excel file. So I open here the new Excel file, press the Control and the shortcut key and you just paste here Control V. The pivot table is pasted. Okay, you can edit here the pivot table also with the fields of data and without data you can use here also. When you double click on any amount, you can see the data will automatically open here. Okay, so in this Excel file is not data available, still you can use the pivot table. Okay, so if you want to save it, so go to the file tab, click on the save as, click on this PC option and here the save as dialog box is open. Then select the destination where you want to save this pivot table. So I select the desktop. You can check here the path location. Okay, this PC in desktop and then just enter the file name. So I enter here the pivot table. Okay, purchase data. Okay, just enter. The pivot table is saved. Okay, this is the details I just open. If you not found the pivot table fields, then you just click on it inside the pivot table, go to the pivot table analysis and here in show group have a fields list. Just click on the field list and you can see the field list is showing now. Okay, now you can change anything in your pivot table. Okay, so if you want to create the different pivot table of same data, you just copy paste and here also you can create a different way and this pivot table also available on different Excel sheet. Okay, the second way, I just open this again Excel file. Okay, here have a data, right? This Excel file again open. I just delete this first. Okay, again I open the pivot table. Second way, you just click on this arrow and select the entire Excel sheet and you can just copy Control C and open the new Excel file. Okay, open the new Excel file and you can just paste here. This way also you can do it. Okay, and you save this Excel file. So this is a way you can save your pivot table any other Excel file also, any other Excel sheet and other Excel file, and different way you can save also different pivot table also you can create. Okay, you can check the data also, you can change the data also. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.